Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors. Wow, what a beautiful Highlander Pearl Blizzard White, 99,000 miles and just exceptionally nice. Let me walk around it and let you take a look at it. Thing has just always been in great shape. You can tell when you look at it. We just got this car, new car dealer trade-in locally. And we will put it through the shop. It just came out of the cleanup shop. We'll put it through the shop and we'll fully service it, change all the fluids and the filters. The tires are already like new, got almost new Toyos all the way around it. The interior is like it's never been set in. I mean, it is an incredibly nice car. Loaded up, perforated black leather, sunroof, got the big screen. Door panels are exceptional. Paint is exceptional. Look at that leather. Third row seat back there. Take the kiddos with you. Pull up sunshade. $99,000 mile Highlander Limited. Just super nice wherever you look, guys. 19 model. Power seats. Look at that leather. Now 16 for 46, with 8 extra base hits and 3 homers. Center console, armrest, nice. Heated front passenger, driver. Got your traction control, all that stuff. That steering wheel.
1 ball and no strikes. 1-0 to Smith.
Memory seating, JBL stereo. Guys, you can call me on my cell anytime. I answer pretty much day or night. 404-867-5028. Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors. Appreciate you watching our videos and looking at our cars. As always, let me know if I can help. Give me a call. Thanks so much and have a great day.